Hey guys, this is Izam and welcome back to another video. Today's video is again using the Affinity Designer and I'm going to use the pixel brush. I'm going to use the watercolor brush in particular. Today I am going to show you how I paint this bird in the Sumi-e style watercolor painting. This is a Japanese style or a Chinese style water brush. So I'm going to mimic this using Affinity Designer. If you don't have Affinity Designer, do consider getting one and you can use it on your iPad. I'm using the iPad Pro. You can be using any kinds of iPad as long as you can run Affinity Designer. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so today we're going to paint a bird. I think this is a crane. Let's switch to the pixel persona and then we're going to choose the brush. Remember to change the color to black because our painting will be black in color. Alright, and the brush that we're going to use is going to be the dense wash. It's underwater colors. That's what we are going to use. And now let's proceed. Now let's study this painting which I found online, which I think is awesome. So have a look. It's very dark, right? It's very dense, the color, the black color. Over here is very sharp and then it flows here. A thick amount of paint here. Slowly it diminishes over here, going down. Then some strokes over here and then slight pressure over here. So we're going to do that. So have a new layer, tap on the pixel layer. And let's begin. Look at the size of the brush, the width, 80, opacity is 100, flow is 5. Let's see what this will produce. Slow stroke, thicken, put pressure. Now one round like that. And fill in this area here. And like that. Okay? We're done. So now let's paint over again this side. Press hard, press down and let go. Okay, that is done. I feel that I need to increase the brush size to about 120. So now we're going to draw the body. Alright, just press and go up like that. Again, I think it's better for us to increase the size so that's easier. Maybe let's increase to 300. Okay, let's begin. Now it's so much easier. You don't have to press so hard. Like that. Just the body and let go. So one more over here at the end like that. So let's color it in, add some more ink to make it darker, just like that, and we're done. Now we're going to draw the legs. So very skinny legs, so I think we set back to about 80 or 90. Alright, so let's find the center portion of the body. So it's about here, okay? So we're going to draw this particular leg first. So press and down. Okay, press again. Release the pressure and go down. Okay, next the second leg is hanging like that. 1, 2, and let go. Now continue from here. Okay, release the pressure, soft, and one more, and one more, like that. So add some more paint on it to create some details, and let's add a bit more down here, just soft. Okay, and we're done. Next, increase the size of the brush to about maybe 600. Okay, opacity, set the opacity to a bit lower. We're going to paint the ground. So let's paint the ground like that. Light touch. Add more paint here. because it's a shadow of the bird, because the bird is here, so it's going to be darker over here. So notice that we missed a few things, okay? For example here. Now will be a good time to add some details, okay? Add some here, like that. Like that. And add some more. Okay, we're done. Over here we missed the eyes, right? So decrease the size, the width, to about 80, back to 80. Increase the opacity. Now let's create some kind of a curve over here, like that, and add some more. Okay, and that's it. You might want to add this particular thing, this red dot over there. But that is completely up to you if you want to do that. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to choose red, the color, change the color, and I'm going to set the opacity to a bit lower, maybe 50, and then just tap like that. Okay, or maybe raise up the opacity to 80. And we're done. We are done. We can hide this reference photograph. For this one, you can move it to the center, and then you can have another layer to sign your name. Alright, so that's done. I hope your bird is looking as good as you think it would, and I hope you did a good job doing it. Alright, so if you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do consider to subscribe, because you will get notifications whenever I put up new videos on my channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird.